Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Beta, UTs are coming, so this is a kind of a revision test. I posted something on your screens. Please plan your answers, write it on a paper. I'll discuss the answers and you check out for your score. This is kind of a revision test for UTs, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Pranjal, you've joined us late. Let me tell you what we are doing. You have to do these. This is a kind of a revision test. Plan your answers, write it
Okay,
on a
ma'am.
paper. I'll speak the answers. We'll see how many correct, how many wrong. This is just for practice.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you're done, I'm going to scroll down, children. Scrolling down, I hope you've done it, Bida. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, bache. Once you finish, we'll discuss the answers also so that I should know which preposition usage you have a problem. Vida, should I scroll down?
Yes, ma'am.
So that we can discuss the answers also before the class gets over. Let's do up to 30.
Please show
You've
the
done up
screen.
to,
Yes,
uh,
ma'am. 33.
okay, okay, Vida. Do up to 30. You have done up to which number?
And 32 I have done.
Or you've already done 32. God, let me show you. Wait. Let me hold on, hold on. Others are also doing now. So I'll show somewhere like this. You do up to 40 beta. Let's see out of 50 what is our score.
Okay.
Hurry up, beta.
Ma'am, please show the 42. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, please show the next one.
Okay, just a second. Huh? Such a good attendance in class 11th. Huh? I'm so impressed. 11th commerce. Now the last exercise to be done on your screens, beta. Then we'll discuss the answers.
Ma'am, question number 2 also.
Beta, can we discuss the answers? If we are
Ma'am, we
done,
have to,
should we?
And 2 are left.
Hey,
ma'am,
after
we have to
that,
do question number 2.
Beta, your voice is not very clear. Let me know what you're saying.
Ma'am, we have to do question number 2 also.
Chalo, I'll first finish. We'll discuss the answers for the first question. Have you done all the 50 sentences? Should I discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Let's start. We have time about 50. Beta, it is within your income. What is the answer? Within. Okay. You see, I
Yes,
was
ma'am.
right. You see, I was right. Dash all. Yes.
after all.
Tell me.
After. Ma'am, after.
After.
At all. You see, I was right after all. Perfect. He rested his bicycle, dash the wall.
Against.
Against.
Very good. Against. He spent many years, dash the people of Syria.
Between the people
Among.
of Syria.
It's not between, it is among. Because between is used for two people and among is used for more than two. So be very careful, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Between is used for two, among is used for more than two. Although his last name is the same as mine, I am not related, dash him.
With. Related
Yes,
with.
related to him. Related to beta. With related, it is always two. I am related to him. I am not related to him. This textbook is intended dash beginners and high school students.
And for.
For. Very good. I am astonished dash that matter.
Ma'am, with that matter.
Very good. I'm astonished with that
Mm.
matter. Good beta. The students were shocked dash the news.
With the
With.
news.
With the news, at the news, both correct, beta. At will also go. Shirley spends a lot of money dash cosmetics.
Ma'am,
Yes, it is on cosmetics. Very good. Dhruv wasted little time dash social formalities.
and for social formalities.
Very good. It is on social formalities. Next one, beta. That type of music is quite popular dash teenaged boys and girls.
With.
Very good. Popular with. Good. She's beneficent dash the poor.
To the poor.
She's beneficent. She's beneficent. Yes, beta. Okay.
To.
It is contrary dash our
Ma'am, please repeat that 12th one.
custom. Yes, Pachi, you want me to do which one again?
12th.
11th,
And 12th.
12th. Yes, she's beneficent dash the poor. What do you mean by beneficent? First, let's discuss this. What does the word beneficent mean? Then you'll be able to get the correct answer. Children, guess what is beneficent? The meaning of the word beneficent.
Resulting in good.
Ma'am, doing something good.
Yes, Peter. So now tell me what should be the correct answer?
To the
Yes,
poor.
Peter. Is the answer?
And 2.
Yes. Yes, beta. It is contrary dash our custom.
With our custom.
No, beta. It is 2. With contrary, we always use 2. It is contrary to our custom. Okay, remember. With contrary, it is always 2 only. Chaliye. He is looking dash his reading glasses.
4 is reading glasses.
Very good. Very good. The child is looking dash the pictures on the walls.
And add the picture.
Very nice. Add the pictures. Very good, beta. Put yourself dash my place.
In my place.
On my place.
Excellent. No, beta. It is in my place. Always we say, put yourself in my place. Okay. In my shoes, in my place, basically. Chalo. Srijan provides his son dash money.
And with
With
Yes. Very good. With money. An accident has happened dash that family.
that family.
that.
Very good. Very good. Dash the time being, I think you'd better not say anything to her.
And by the time being.
No. Very good. For the time being. Perfect. For the time being. We always say, no, for the time being, do this. It's always better to study vocabulary dash connection dash reading. Which is the correct option according to you?
I'm in connection
In and
with.
with.
Beta? Yes. In
In-
connection?
I'm in connection with
reading.
reading.
Yes. Mrs. Veronica is qualified dash teaching English.
I'm for teaching English.
Or
Yes, beta. Qualified for. Can we be sure dash is honesty?
With his honesty.
with.
No. Can we be sure with his honesty? No, no. Something is going wrong. Do it again.
I'm off is honest.
Yes, beta. We always say, na, are you sure of this answer? Are you sure of this? Are you sure of that? So sure ke saath, of course, beta. What did Mrs. Tarun die dash?
I'm off.
Very good. Die off. It was dash my will.
I'm against my will.
Yes, beta. Against my will. I took my aging father dash the hand.
To the.
No,
It
it's not.
is written band.
I'm
By the hand. I took my aging father by the hand. मतलब उनका हाथ पकड़ के चलना. By the hand. He is different dash his mother.
I'm from his mother.
They like to sit dash the fire during the cold winter season.
I'm by the
Fire.
fire.
By the fire. She works dash her living.
I'm for it.
For her living. He suffers dash headaches.
I'm from headache.
From
Good. He is dash royal blood.
Off royal.
Yes. He's of royal blood. They went so fast that I couldn't keep up dash them.
With them.
Very good. I couldn't keep up with them. All men between 8 and 25, dash exception, are expected to serve in the army.
without
I'm with.
exception.
Very good. Without exception. Because it's written also without exception. He is content dash his very little salary.
For is very.
With.
No. With. Very good. He's content with. We always use with. I'm contented with what I have. So content goes with with. He walked dash the room dash we were sitting.
I'm into the room.
Into the room from.
No, not from. Into
I'm
the
into
room
the
in.
room in which we were sitting.
Yes, the C option is correct. Into the room in which we were sitting. Good. The rain was beating dash the windows.
At the window.
No.
Swim across.
No.
I'm against.
Yes.
And
इसे हम हिंदी में भी से ना टकराना. That is always against in English. So it is rain was beating against the windows. It looks better dash a distance. It looks better dash a distance.
to.
No. Try another one.
I'm for.
So
a
for.
distance.
No. It looks better for a distance. It looks better at a distance. Something you see वो दूर से ज़्यादा अच्छा दिख रहा है, then you'll say it looks better at a distance. I have done my exercise dash now.
Till now.
Till now. Perfect. Many students are so afraid dash failing that they deny all invitations during an exam period.
About failing.
Hmm?
I'm
About.
off.
Beta, it should be off. We always say, na, I am afraid of dogs. I am afraid of lizards. So afraid ke saath, the preposition which goes is off. She took me dash my brother.
With.
With is also correct. To is also correct. Both can go here. Things are going dash bad, dash worse.
Out of worse to bad.
No.
And things are going from from bad to worse.
Yes, it is from bad to worse. Good. He's living dashes means
I'm on.
no. This sentence means जितना है उसी में गुजारा करना. So it is within.
Within.
I'm
He's
written.
within. He had a craving dash wealth.
Craving
For.
for.
Very good. Craving means a strong desire. Sometimes when you want to eat something, you say, I have a craving for sweets. I have a craving for chocolate. Strong desire. So craving के साथ हमेशा for. She spoke dash whisper.
With.
No.
I'm in a.
Yes. Yes, she spoke in a whisper. बहुत धीरे बोलना, in a whisper. Next, let me move on to the next ones. Just give me 1 second. I shall be ready dash a moment.
I'm in a.
In a
In.
moment. Very good. He's an expert dash economics.
In economics.
I'm in economics.
Very good. He's a man dash his 40s.
About.
Oh.
In.
Yes, in 40s. He's a man in his 40s. She rushed forward to help irrespective dash the consequences.
Of the consequences.
By the.
Very good. Irrespective of the consequences. I met Ajitesh yesterday, but I knew him long dash that.
I'm long before that.
Before that.
Yes. You'd better demand an answer dash that fellow as soon as possible.
From that fellow.
Very good. From that fellow. He broke a loaf of bread dash 2 pieces and gave me one.
I'm
Into two pieces.
Yes, very good into 2 pieces. You can calculate your scores. No need to tell me. And see which one went wrong. And if you have the usage doubts in any of the usages, you can please ask me as well. I don't want you to tell me your marks. It's absolutely okay. You just should know where you went wrong. That is more important. So just check out where you went wrong. You want to ask something, you can ask me. If you're okay, then we'll continue. We'll continue with the first passage here. Question number 2, first paragraph. And from the first part, if you have doubt in the usage of any, please ask me. Yes, beta, try do the first.
Ma'am, done.
Beta done? Should I discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sure.
Ma'am,
Aditi,
doing
done?
one.
Okay, beta, we'll wait for her. We'll wait for her.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta, let's start discussing the first one. Okay, speak. Who will speak? Yes, beta. Who will speak? The chameleon is a relative dash the lizard.
Relative of.
Very good. Of the lizard. It is a reptile. It can be found dash Africa and
In.
Madagascar.
Ma'am, in.
Very good. You can also find it in some parts of Asia and southern Europe. Some varieties can grow dash a length of 60 meters.
Ma'am, to a length
About.
of 50 meters.
Yes, it can be about also, it can be two also, it can be up to also. However, the most common variety does not grow more than 30 centimeters long. The most interesting thing, dash the
About.
camel, very good,
About.
very good, that it is able to change color. It is able to change quickly, dash white to yellow. It should not be violet, it should be white. Yes?
And from.
No, very good. ये while नहीं है बेटा, this word is white. From white to yellow, black, green or brown. It is able to do this because of the difference dash light and temperature.
Ma'am, in.
Very good, very good. Difference in light and temperature of its surroundings. The chameleon lives on trees. Its tail and feet can hold on dash the branches.
Ma'am, to the branches.
Excellent, very
Ma'am.
nice. Hold on to the branches while it is reaching dash to catch its prey.
I'm reaching out to catch its.
Very good.
Excuse
With
me, ma'am.
reaching always. Yes, Bache.
Ma'am, in the next class we have test. Can we leave? 12:40.
Okay, we it's already 1 minute left of the class. You can leave. You have a test of what subject?
Ma'am, accounts.
Accounts.
Okay, fine. There's just 30 seconds left. You can go and prepare for the test. I'm absolutely okay. Chalo, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye.